Automatic motorcycle washes, a new trend in many countries. Have you noticed something? In many countries, jobs that once require many people and a lot of time are now gradually being replaced by machines. It's not because humans cannot do it, but because machines do it faster, more consistently, and more reliably. Motorcycle washing is following this trend. Previously, anywhere from Asia and in the Middle East to Europe, motorcycle washings were associated with the image of washers, whose brushes a lot of sweat. But today, in many countries, automatic motorcycle washings is gradually becoming a familiar option, not because it's modern for fun, but because it solves the problem that business owners are struggling with. Try putting yourself in the position of an investor. When you open a shop, the first thing you have to worry about is staffing. Good workers are rare. Long-term workers are prone to quitting, and unexpected worker departures disrupt the entire business. On sunny day, the workers are tired and customer wait. On rainy day, there are fewer customers. Revenue drop, but salaries still have to pay. This keeps the owner constantly bogged down in the trivial tasks, making expansions or operation much easier. Meanwhile, in many countries, a different approach is chosen. Business handle the heaviest tasks with human only, managing and serving. This is why automatic motorcycle washing machines are becoming increasingly common. The core reason this model is becoming the trend lies in its speed and stability. An automatic motorcycle washing system can clean a motorcycle in about 2 minutes for city use and 4 minutes for heavily mud-covered in vehicle. This time does not depend on worker mood, the weather, or peak hour. The machines operate steadily. As one vehicle finishes, another comes in, creating a seamless and professional process. Not only is it fast, but the machine is also designed to clean properly. The specialized brush system is divided into separate sections for the wheel and body of the vehicle, with materials suitable for cleaning without scratching. High-pressure water is sprayed from multiple directions, including under the vehicle, helping to remove mud and stubborn dirt. For areas with heavy dirt, the operators can still assist with the hand spray to ensure the vehicle is as clean as the customer expects. This combination has gradually changed customer habit in many countries. Initially, they come down of curiosity or because it's unusual, but after a few experience, they return because it's fast, convenient, and eliminate waiting time. Once customers are accustomed to this experience, it is difficult for them to return to the store. Long line was the methods of the past. For investors, the benefits lie not only in the customer experience, but also in the clear business model. An automatic motorcycle washing system only requires one operator. The cost of electricity, water, and chemical for each wash is very precisely controlled. Revenue is easily calculated based on the number of vehicles washed each day. When the business model is no longer heavily reliant on manual labor, cash flow becomes more stable and predictable. That's also why in many markets, automatic car washes are not considered a passing trend, but rather an inevitable shift, just as washing machines once placed hand washes in many households. Automatic motorcycle washes is gradually replacing manual washes in areas with high traffic and a fast-paced lifestyle. If you are looking for a business model that is not overly complicated, whose effectiveness can be calculated and will align with modern consumer trends, then an automatic motorcycle wash is a very worldwide option to consider, not because it's new, but because it addresses the old concerns: labor, speed, quality, and long-term stability. This trend has already emerged in many countries. The only remaining question is, will you stand back and observe, or be a pioneer in your area? Go&Go is always ready to serve, advise, and provide you with hands-on experience to help you understand the model before you decide to invest. Goodbye and see you in the next video.